Let's take this to the next step and take a look at how we're doing all this. So, some vocabulary. Security zones in a firewall land identify the trustworthiness of a network. All firewall vendors are going to call these security zones something slightly different. For the trusted network side, we often call this the inside or internal network, or the LAN. For untrusted networks, we typically call those the outside or internet or WAN network. Now, we can have more than just two networks here, trusted and untrusted. We actually have these other networks that fall someplace in between. And these are called DMZ networks, demilitarized zones, or perimeter networks, which are often neither completely trusted nor completely untrusted. They're someplace in the middle. There's a specific module in this course that will talk about DMZ networks and why we use them. Those security zones allow us then to develop security policies. It allows us then to create some rules to determine how traffic should flow from one zone to another zone. So we're going to identify the flow of traffic, either from trusted to untrusted or untrusted to trusted. We're going to take that traffic flow and we're going to apply permit and deny rules to that flow, so that the traffic that we want allowed through our device flows through the device. The traffic that we don't want to flow through the device gets blocked. We can apply other rules to traffic as well, like network address translation, which we'll talk about in the second module of this course. Also, difficult traffic like FTP and H323 traffic. We may have to apply some rules to that, and we'll briefly talk about how we apply those rules in a separate module in this course as well. We have security zones. We use those zones to apply a security policy. Let's take it to the next step.